Virginia Passenger Rail Authority, or VPRA, is responsible for promoting, sustaining, and expanding the availability of passenger and commuter rail service in the Commonwealth. As part of this responsibility, VPRA is implementing a statewide initiative known as Transforming Rail in Virginia, or TRV. TRV is a $4 billion rail initiative that creates a path forward for connecting our communities and increasing economic opportunities through strategic rail investments. These rail corridor investments extend statewide and include both Amtrak and Virginia Railway Express services. A key segment for passenger rail upgrades is between Washington, D.C. and Richmond. Interstate 95 is one of the most congested highways in the country. Studies show that widening by just one lane in each direction comes at a staggering cost, and that the corridor will be just as congested in 10 years. For less than half the cost of interstate widening, the Commonwealth is able to implement the entire TRV rail program, offering dependable and frequent alternatives that benefit travelers in Virginia and along the entire East Coast. The Alexandria Fourth Track project is at the northern end of Virginia's I-95 corridor and is one of the first TRV projects to move forward. To help curb rail congestion and enhance passenger rail service, VPRA is adding a fourth railroad track in the existing rail corridor between Arlington and Alexandria, Virginia. The project runs from the southern end of the Long Bridge, adjacent to the Long Bridge Aquatic Center, to just west of Alexandria's VRE and Amtrak station. Currently, on the southern end of the project area, west of Alexandria Station, 5 lanes of rail converge into 3. This creates a bottleneck, causing congestion and delays for both passenger trains and freight trains traveling north into Alexandria, Arlington, and Washington, D.C. The Alexandria Fourth Track project will add approximately 6 miles of fourth track to this existing 3-track rail corridor. This will reduce corridor congestion by separating freight trains and passenger trains, increasing rail efficiency, and adding much-needed capacity between Washington, D.C. and Alexandria. By the end of 2026, the Alexandria Fourth Track project, along with other TRV investments, will open the door to 2 new Amtrak Virginia round trips, as well as additional VRE service, including weekend trains. And the improvements won't stop there. By 2030, Amtrak Virginia will operate nearly hourly service between D.C. and Richmond. The design and construction of the Alexandria Fourth Track is a collaborative effort. VPRA is leading the project in partnering with CSX Freight Railroad, Virginia Railway Express, and Amtrak. With construction, VPRA anticipates some disruptions for residents, commuters, and travelers in the area. For example, there may be brief, periodic road lane closures to move equipment or materials in and out of the rail corridor. VPRA will communicate early and often so you know how progress of this project may affect you. The Commonwealth is making generational investments by delivering on its vision to provide high-performance passenger and commuter rail service. And the Alexandria Fourth Track project is a key element of this vision's first phase. Ultimately, this vision and collection of projects known as Transforming Rail in Virginia will provide more reliable freight, passenger, and commuter rail travel throughout the Commonwealth and along the East Coast. For more information, please visit VPRA's website at www.vpra.virginia.gov.